Morning to all my dear students and welcome to Zoology online class. Previously or in the previous class, that is I had completed up to the epithelial tissue and just started that is the connective tissue. So let me repeat again from the connective tissue. You know that is connective tissue, that is in our body the amount of the connective tissue is the maximum in comparison to other tissue. Clear? Then what are the main characteristics of the connective tissue? Here the cells are present widely, that is a large gap, and that means the intercellular space is present, and that intercellular space is filled with that is the fluid like substance that is called as the matrix, and that matrix contains that is so many fibers, or fibers means suta bhaliya structure, that is the fibers. These are the fibers. Clear? So that is, and the amount of the fibers and the matrix is more in comparison to the cell. The cell or the amount of the cell is less and the matrix and the fibers are more. Though the matrix as well as the fibers are secreting from the cell, Clear? And the major function is done by the matrix, and that is the fiber gives the elasticity and that is the strength to the tissue. Clear? And the first, this is, and they are not present on the basement membrane. We have read the epithelial tissue. In the epithelial tissue there is a basement membrane, and above the basement membrane the cells are present, and the cells which are present, they have no intercellular space. That means they are very closely packed to each other. But here, in case of the connective tissue, the intercellular space is more and the cells are less, and the intercellular space contains the intercellular fluid, and that is, in one term it is called as the intercellular matrix. And that matrix contains that is different types of fibers, or that is the fibers मान सूता भलिया, matrix होची गुटे पानी भलिया structure थिबो, ता भितरे सूता भलिया structure अछि. This is called as the fibers, and the fibers and the matrix are secreted from the cell. A cell कतरु सेमाने झरुचंती बा सेमाने तयारी होचंती, but the amount of the matrix as well as the fibers are more than that of the cell, and functionally they are also more important than the cells. Clear? Then and that is the connective tissue is mesodermal in origin. We have read up to this. Clear? Then this is the characteristics of the connective tissue. Then what is the main properties of the connective tissue? Main property of the connective tissue, that is, it behaves as a connecting materials. That means it has, or it binds different tissue to forms, that is the organs. It binds different tissue and forms the organs. Then after it that is binds the different organs to forms the organisms. This is the main, that is the function or properties of the connective tissue, along with its, that is the skeletal elements, And I have, that is the classified the, that is up to this, that is we have read in the previous classes or previous class. Then you come to the, that is the types of connective tissue. Depending upon the structure, mainly depending upon its matrix, the connective tissue is of three types. Connective tissue is of three types. Clear? That is, one is, that is the different book have that is the mentioned differently, but here that is the convenient to understand, that is it consists of, that is the connective tissue proper, connective tissue proper, and the second one is called as the skeletal connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue, then the third one is called as the fluid connective tissue, fluid connective tissue. Clear? So in this way, that is the connective tissue is differentiated into three parts, that is the connective tissue proper, skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. In the connective tissue that is proper, the matrix is, that is matrix is, that is semi-fluid, semi-fluid, jelly-like, jelly-like. तामाने एटा टिके अर्ध पानिया आउ एटा टे जेली भलिया टिके भलिया हला तार मैट्रिक्स टा इंटरसेलुलर, that is the fluid टा, and here that is in skeletal connective tissue the matrix is rigid and hard, the matrix is rigid, that means it is strong and hard. Clear? Then in case of the fluid connective tissue, the matrix is fluid, water like, fluid. The matrix is fluid, ता माने पानी भलिया तार मैट्रिक्स टा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स होची एठी सेल माने रहिले, सेल मान को मझिरे जो स्पेस टा रहिला, ए जो स्पेस रहिला ए स्पेस भितरे गुटे फ्लूइड रहिबो, एंड दैट फ्लूइड एटा जदि सेमी दैट इज जेली लाइक रहिबो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज, दैट इज द सेमी फ्लूइड एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रॉपर. देन एटा जदि हार्ड है गला, रिजिड है गला, द मैट्रिक्स इज रिजिड और हार्ड, एटा है गला स्केलेटल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, योर बोन एंड कार्टिलेज. एटा जदि पूरा पानी भलिया बोही जाउथबो, दैट इज द फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द मैट्रिक्स इज फ्लूइड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर और ब्लड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ना इट इज दैट इज ए वाटर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एटा होची ब्लड आउ दैट इज द लिम्फ. क्लियर? So in this way, depending upon the nature of the matrix, it is of three types, that is the connective tissue proper, skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. First of all, you come to the connective tissue proper, connective tissue proper. Clear? You come to the first one, that is the connective tissue proper. You come to the, that is the first one, that is the connective tissue proper. And this connective tissue proper, in some books, it is divided into three parts. It is divided into three parts. That is the loose connective tissue, and another is the dense connective tissue, clear? And another is the specialized connective tissue. Clear? First of all, you come to the loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue, according to that is some books, it has been divided into two parts. Then one is areolar connective tissue, another is adipose connective tissue. Clear? And in dense connective tissue, it is that is the two types. One is that is the dense regular connective tissue, that is the dense regular connective tissue, and another is the dense irregular connective tissue. Clear? And in special connective tissue, that is the special connective tissue, it is of that is the pigmented connective tissue, and that is your reticular connective tissue, and your mucous connective tissue or mucoid connective tissue. Mucous connective tissue or mucoid connective tissue. Clear? So that is the connective tissue proper. But some books has written that is the loose connective tissue, then the dense connective tissue, and special connective tissue to the that is total connective tissue. Clear? So this will be the more, that is the convenience. Clear? That is the connective tissue proper is divided into where the matrix is, that is a jelly like or semi-fluid structure. Clear? The loose connective tissue, then the dense connective tissue, then the specialized connective tissue. Under the loose connective tissue, that is the areolar connective tissue, then the adipose connective tissue. And under the dense connective tissue, dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue, and under the specialized connective tissue, that is pigmented and reticular, and that is the mucous or mucoid connective tissue. So this is that is the classification of the connective tissue proper. Then you come to the first, that is called as that is the areolar connective tissue. First you come to the areolar connective tissue. That means the connective, from the name connective tissue proper, it is clear that it helps mainly to connect the different organs, or to connect the different tissue, or to connect the different structures. Clear? Mainly it helps to connect the different structure. So it is connective tissue proper. So connective tissue proper. And under that we will first start, that is the areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue. That is areolar connective tissue. It is simply, that is also called as the loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue, or it is under the loose connective tissue. That is called as the areolar connective tissue. That is the loose connective tissue. And the areolar connective tissue, that is here, that is the areolar connective tissue. It behaves, actually it is the most, that is the widely distributed. This tissue is most widely distributed, that is the tissue, that is the most widely distributed connective tissue in the body, and is essentially, that is connective in function. Actually this loose connective tissue or areolar connective tissue is widely present inside the body, or it is present, that is in all the parts of the body, which helps, that is actually it is essential, that is connective tissue in function. That means it helps to connect the different tissue together to forms the organ. It mainly it behaves as a packing material. It behaves as the packing material. Clear? So it behaves as the packing materials. It is found in almost all the organs of the body, that is in the body, that is just below the epithelial layer it is present. Just below the epithelial layer. Epithelial layer हमें जानिचे जे प्रति organ रे प्रति layer रे epithelial tissue टा प्रथम outer layer करिवो. Epithelial tissue तळुकू गुटे पतला layer रहिवो, and that is called as the areolar tissue. Clear? Suppose in case of the elementary canal wall रे एमती म्यूकस रहिबो पढ़ा हिच म्यूकस एपिथेलियल लेयर ता तळुकू दैट इज द रहिबो किए ना ए जो एरियोलार कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इट विल फॉर्म्स द सब म्यूकोसा सेमती स्किन तले आमर जो स्किन अच्छे एपिडर्मिस या तले रहिबो जोटा हेल्प करिवो कोन ना स्किन की मसल सांगरे अटैच करिवा पई सेटा हबो सब दैट इज द क्यूटानियस लेयर that is it is the subcutaneous layer skin तळुको रहिबो and it will also called as the dermis layer that is called as the dermis layer clear so and that is it occurs that is the every part of the body it occurs in almost all the parts of the body that is the areolar connective tissue clear then that is the areolar connective tissue then that is it is most widely distributed in the body it is present almost all the part of the body and it behaves actually that is the packing material which helps to connect the different organs clear which along with the other tissue clear and mostly it is present just below the that is the epithelial layer in the skin it present as the dermis just below the outer layer of the skin epidermis and it helps to connect the skin or the epidermis with the underlying muscle सहित epidermis केटा बा that is the epidermis बा outer layer of skin टाकू जुड़ीबार साहाय्य कला similarly below the mucus intestine चारिटा लेयर अछि इंटेस्टाइन चारिटा लेयर रे बाहरटा होची सिरोसा तापर होची मसल तलटा होची सबम्यूकोसा एटा होची म्यूकोसा क्लियर सो द म्यूकोसा कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए सिंगल लेयर ऑफ एपिथेलियल सेल्स एपिथेलियम क्लियर एंड जस्ट बिलो द एपिथेलियम इट इज प्रेजेंट एज द सबम्यूकोसा मु कहली जे एपिथेलियल टिश्यू तळुकू एमाने गोटे लेयर प्रॉपर्ली करिवे हला तापरे कहूची डार्मिस करिवो सब दैट इज द सबम्यूकोसा करिवो क्लियर देन आउ कोन करूची ना एटा पेरिटोनियम लेयर आमे पढिचे टीएस नैचे तले बॉडी वॉल रो टीएस नैचे टीएस ऑफ द बॉडी आमे दीटा लेयर पाइबो गोटे हला पैराइटल पेरिटोनियम दैट इज द पेरिटोनियम व्हिच प्रेजेंट बिलो द स्किन or the body wall is called as the parietal peritoneum and the peritoneum which present above the alimentary canal this is called as the visceral peritoneum clear so the peritoneum layer so this that is the epithelium or this connective tissue or areolar connective tissue which is present below the epithelial layer it helps to attach the peritoneum layer into the body wall as well as into the alimentary canal clear so that is the visceral peritoneum and parietal peritoneum are attached into the that is the visceral organ as well as into the skin of the or the body wall of the animal clear then it is that is this is the first position then what is the structure of the connective tissue so what is the structure of the connective tissue this I have told you the connective tissue in which that is the jelly like substance is present jelly like that is the substance is present that is called as the matrix this is called as the matrix and that matrix contains that is mainly three types of fibers fiber बुझी परछो सूता भलिया स्ट्रक्चर the सरू सूता भलिया structure that is called as the fibers and that is main four type of cells and that is the four types of cell along with the other that is the main four types of cell then along with other that is the cells are also or different types of cells are present among them cells are the living and others are non-living so this is the matrix I have told you the matrix is that is made up of carbohydrate that is the carbohydrate and the protein in the form of mucopolysaccharide and among them hyaluronic acid is that is the main compound clear then you first come to the that is the matrix that is the fibers gives the that is the rigidity as well as the elasticity to the body clear and I have told you with the increase of the age with the increase of the age, the number of fibers and the thickness of the fibers increases, where the amount of the matrix decreases, as a result of which the body loses the flexibility. The body loses the flexibility. Clear? देखिथिबो छुआटा जते दौड़ुची आउ बयस हेले सेते दौड़ी परिवानी हला आउ अधिका बयस हेले जतले गुटे लोक बुढ़ा हो जाउची से भलो चाली पारुनी तमे कोन कहबो हाय चाली पारुनी उठ मु चाली जिमी हला एटा चाली पारुनी उठ उठ किंतु तमे भी भाबिवा कथा तमे भी दिने सही स्टेज को जीवो हला इट इज ए बायोलॉजिकल फेनोमेना एवरीवन विल पास थ्रू दैट इज द सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर और सिमिलर फेनोमेना तमें भी दिने बयस हेले सही हम बयस हेले फाइबर नंबर बढ़ फाइबर दैट इज थिकनेस बढ़ आउ से फाइबर गुड़ा मेनली कोलेजन फाइबर व्हाइट क्लियर यू कम टू दिस फाइबर्स द फाइबर्स आर 3 टाइप्स वन इज द you first come that is the white collagen fibers are thin non-elastic white in color and arranged in bundles and the bundles are called as the fascia. These bundles are called as the fascia. Then these are unbranched, they are not branched. These fibers are thin non-elastic and white in color and arranged in bundles, and these bundles are called as the fascia. These bundles are called as the fascia. These bundles are called as the fascia. Clear? And it is made up of a that is the protein called as the this is made up of a protein called as the collagen, that is called as the collagen. It is made by a protein that is the bundles are made by the protein called as the collagen. And the collagen protein is the maximum amount in the body. With the increase of the age, that is the collagen amount increases and which causes the aging. Clear? Then you come to the during the clear, and actually these fibers are formed. That is, these fibers are during the wound healing and tissue repairing process, collagen fibers are formed at the side of the injury. That is, जोटी छिड़ी जाइथिबो कटि जाइथिबो सही पाखा पाखिरे ए कोलेजन फाइबर गुड़ाक तैयारी हो आ कोलेजन फाइबर टाको जदि आमे बॉयल करिबा देन इट चेंजेस इनटू दी दैट इज दी जिलाटिन गुटे तरल पदार्थ हो जिवो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज दी जिलाटिन ताको बॉयल कले जिलाटिन हो जिवो बुझियाला तेणु दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द व्हाइट कोलेजन फाइबर. द व्हाइट कोलेजन फाइबर इज द मैक्सिमम in the that is areolar tissue, and these fibers are thin, that is non-elastic, unbranched, branched no सीधा सीधा, and arranged in bundle called as the fascia. Clear? And they are that is white as because they are made by a protein, and non-elastic because they are made by a protein called as the collagen. The amount of collagen protein is present maximum in the body. Clear? And so it is called as the collagen, white collagen fibers, that is white in color, made by the collagen protein, so it is otherwise called as the white collagen fibers. If we boil the fiber, that is the areolar connect or a white collagen fiber, then it converts into the gelatin. At the site of the wound or injury, जो छिड़ी जाइथिबो कटि जाइथिबो, that is the collagen fibers that is are formed as the boundary line. जेमती बढ़ी गले कोलेजन फाइबर गुड़ा रहिले जदि उंडटा भितरे हेतिबो आ सेटा बेसिका बढ़िबो नाही हला तो बॉडी रे केते प्रोटेक्टिव जिंस भितरे भितरे आपे आपे अछि हला तापर हम देखिबा हला इट मेनली हेल्प्स that is to join, that is the connective tissue with the adjacent tissue. It mainly help kon kare, it mainly helps to join, that is the connective tissue with the adjacent tissue. माने এইটা যেতবে এরিওলার কনেক্টিভ টিস্যু রহিলা তা উপরে কিଏ রয়েছে এপিথেলিয়াল টিস্যু তেণু এপিথেলিয়াল টিস্যু को अटैच कला तलपटे किए अच्छी मसल अच्छी तेणु आपको मसल कला ताने एडजसेंट टिस्यू किए दिस इज एपिथेलियाल टिस्यू आउटसाइड की इनसाइड की रहिला मसल टिस्यू से कहूँ दिस दैट इज टिस्यू मेनली हेल्प्स टू अटैच द एडजसेंट टिस्यू बाहर पटा भीतर पटा टिस्यू को अटैच करिवारे साहाय्य कला क्लियर सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द व्हाइट कोलेजन फाइबर then you come to that is the yellow fiber the yellow fibers are thin and branched these yellow fibers are thin and branched and elastic in nature they are branched and elastic in nature and yellowish in color and it is made by a protein called as the elastin clear but it is there heat resistance आपको heat कले कौन से चेंज होगा नहीं clear so the yellow that is the yellow fibers this is called as the white fiber and these are called as the yellow fibers are thin yellow in color non elastic and branched and present singly not in bundle clear and it is made by a protein called as the elastin clear then it is resistant to the boiling that is if we boil it it has no change clear so this is called as the yellow elastic fiber clear then another one is called as the thick and branched so yellow fibers are thick but white fibers are thin that is reticulata दी जन का मझा मझी कौन है ये हूँ थिन आउ येलोटा हूँ थिक किंतु ये जो रेटिकुलेटा हम कौन ना यहाँ हूँ थिक एंड इट इज ब्रांच्ड बट इट इज नॉन इलास्टिक व्हाइट को मिसई प्लस दैट इज द येलो फाइबर को मिसई तार दीटा जाक कैरेक्टर को मिसई मुसाई कर एंड इट ऑलवेज फॉर्म्स ए नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर रेटिकुलेट दैट इज रेटिकुलर fibers and it is made by a protein called as the reticulin so the reticular fibers are that is the thick branched non-elastic and remains in a net like structure and made by a protein called as the reticulin clear so this is all about the fibers which are present in the areolar connective tissue first one is white fibers second one is yellow fiber and third one is reticular fibers so this is all about the fibers then you come to the that is the cells which are that is among them that is 4 main cells are present what are that you first come to the fibroblast that is the fibroblast cells are oval or rounded with irregular structure with a prominent nucleus and the number of the fibroblast cells is maximum in the areolar connective tissue re fibroblast cell maximum number the active cells are called as the fibroblast but inactive and old cells are called as the fibrocyte the active and that is the young cells are called as the fibroblasts but the inactive and old cells are called as the fibrocytes clear so the fibroblasts secrete the fibers and the matrix ये फाइब्रोब्लास्ट कहीं कहै ना फाइबर गुड़ा तैयारी करछि से येलो फाइबर हो व्हाइट फाइबर हो ग्रीन दैट इज रेटिकुलर फाइबर हो ये सब फाइबर दैट इज द फाइब्रोब्लास्ट तैयारी करिवो आंकर अमाउंट ए एरियोलार टिश्यू भितरे आंकर अमाउंट होछि सबठारो बेसी हला आउ कोन कहउछि दे दैट इज द से कोन कहउछि ना द फाइब्रोब्लास्ट सेल्स माइग्रेट टू द रीजन वेयर द वुंड और इंजुरी इज ऑकर्ड क्लियर जदि कौन सी जगार खंडे कटिगला कि छिड़गला ये से दैट इज द एगुड़ाक जो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू पलैजे कौटिकी ना ये वुंडेड रीजन को एंड दे विल सिक्रेट द फाइबर जस्ट एट द साइड ऑफ द injury. Side of the injury pakhara it has tiyari karibo to seal the wound or to seal the injury, not to that is the proceed. Au jemiti basica no bade sei bhaliya eta tiyari kar dabo hala eta se tiyari kar dabo. That is so the main function of the fibroblast is to secrete the or to prepare the fibers as well as to seal the that is the periphery or that is the sides of the wounds or the injury. Clear? So this is called as that is the fibroblast cell. Clear? And the fibroblast cell secretes the fibers or produce the fibers as well as the matrix. Clear? And the number of the fibroblast cell is maximum in the matrix of the areolar tissue. Then you come to the histiocyte or that is the macrophages. Histiocyte or macrophages. Histiocytes or macrophages, they are found in a large number next to the fibroblast. Fibroblast jate ता तळुकु होछि के तार मेजर अमाउंट किए ना फाइब्रोब्लास्ट, सेकंड किए ना हिस्टोसाइट और दैट इज द हिस्टोसाइट और मैक्रोफेजेस दैट इज फेजेस माने एटा जो खाइ जीवो अन्य टिश्यू को खाइबो दैट इज फेगोसाइट्स पढ़ाई तुमको केबे आगुर फास्ट दिन कही पिनोसाइट्स फेगोसाइट एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट पैसिव ट्रांसपोर्ट एटू से वार्डटा आसला केमिति आइला मैक्रोफेज मैक्रो माने अधिका बड़ बड़ जिनस खाइ जीवो एटा कोटू मॉडिफिकेशन आइछि प्रोबेबली दैट इज द डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम मोनोसाइट्स ब्लड रे तीन प्रकार सेल अच्छी से भितर गोटे डब्ल्यूबीसी रे लिम्फोसाइट मोनोसाइट सब अच्छी से मोनोसाइट रो एटा डिराइव्ड हेकि तयारी हेछि हला ये कोन हबो हिस्टोसाइड एटा से कौन कहूँ नेक्स्ट दि आंकर थी आए माना किमिति ना दे आर लार्ज एंड लॉन्ग लिव्ड दे आर मोर और लेस राउंड और ओवल विथ द प्रोमिनेंट न्यूक्लियस एंड दे आर लॉन्ग लिव्ड से माने बेसी दिन बंचती है इरेगुलर एमिबॉइड शेप्ड और इट मे बी इरेगुलर दैट इज एमिबॉइड दैट मीन्स आउ ए माने कौन करेंगे दे आर फेगोसाइटिक इन नेचर ता माने सॉलिड जिनस को खाइबे हला क्या को खाइबे ना दैट इज दे डिस्ट्रॉय और दे दैट इज दैट एक्चुअली दे आर फेगोसाइटिक इन नेचर इट एनगल्फ्स द जर्म एज वेल एज टिश्यू डेब्रिस जो टिश्यू माने कटिबे बा सेल माने नष्ट होउचंदी तांकु से एनगल्फ करिवे बा खाइ जिवे प्लस जर्म सेल को मारी दिवे तेणु तांको ना हला स्कैवेंजर्स सेल्स तेणु यही सेल गुड़ा को कहला स्कैवेंजर्स माने सागुणा जो माने मचा पचा जिनस सब खाती से स्कैवेंजर्स कह जाए मला पचा ये सब जिनस है तो सेमिति ये सेल जेहेतु ये मला फला जिनस गुड़ा को से बॉडी भितर सब क्लीन कर दौची खाई बा एनगल्फ माने ढिकी दौची तेणु या ना है मैक्रोफेजेस एंड इट इज अदरवाइज कॉल्ड एज द स्कैवेंजर सेल they are named variously depending upon their situation से को विभिन्न प्रकार नामकरण कराई जमीती एटा हूँ चूल एटा हूँ आईब्रो एटा हूँ आईलेस एटा हूँ मोस्टार एंड एटा हूँ बियर ताने से चूल किंतु अलग अलग जगार रहा ना सब अलग है ठीक सेमिति जो गुड़ाक लिभर रे रे क्यों सेल ना हिस्टोसाइट सेल जोड़ा लिभर रे ना हम कौन ना एटा हूँ हिस्टोसाइट एटा हूँ that is the fibroblast and this is histocyte. Similarly, these histocyte cells which are present or which remains in the liver, they are called as the Kupffer cells. They are called as the Kupffer cells. They are called as the Kupffer cells. Clear? Then when they are present in the lungs, they are called as the alveolar, that is macrophage. कारण एयर रे जो डस्ट पार्टिकल जाउची जर्म जाउची ताकू से खाई दियंती नष्ट कर दियंती जहाँद्वारा कि लिभर ना लंग्सटा इन्फेक्शन हुएनी सेमिति जो गुड़ाक ब्रेन आ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड रे अच्छी मस्तिष्क आ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जदि किसी ब्लड सेटिक जाए जर्म जाए कि अन्य किसी ताने से गुड़ाक कौन हुए ताकू कहती न्यूरोग्लिया बा माइक्रोग्लिया से कौन करेंगे से गुड़ा सब नष्ट करदे तेणु देख बॉडीटा आमर केमिति सब तैयारी होइछि सेल्फ दैट इज द रेजिस्टेंस पाई बा दैट इज द इम्यूनिटी पाई केमिति सब विभिन्न प्रकार स्ट्रक्चर सब आ भितरे अच्छी टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ और टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी है एंड मेक इट दैट इज फ्री फ्रॉम अदर जर्म्स एक्सेट्रा जो ज्वर होउछि बा अन्य रोग रे आमे आक्रांत होउछे जतले बॉडी रो इम्यूनिटी कैपेसिटी फेल हो जाउची सेतळे आमे जाइके आक्रांत होउछे हला सो इन दिस वे इट हेल्प्स इन इम्यूनिटी कनेक्टिव टिश्यू क्लियर एंड द थर्ड वन इज कॉल्ड एज द मास्ट सेल बा दैट इज मास्ट सेल बा मास्टोसाइट्स मास्ट सेल और मास्टोसाइट्स द थर्ड वन इज कॉल्ड एज द मास्ट सेल where is the mast cell the mast cell are small that is the rounded or oval with a small nucleus rounded or and it is granulated because it is secretive in nature it secretes some chemical substances clear mainly 3 chemical substances it secrete one is that is the histamine that is histamine helps to dilate the or vasodilator तामने ब्लड वेसल लिम्फ वेसल को एटा वाइड कराई दबो जति की अछि नेरो ताकू टिके वाइड कराई दबो हला आ उटा होछि serotonin helps to contract that is the vascular tissue that means it is called as the vasoconstriction that is vasoconstrictor ता माने ए जो ब्लड वेसल लिम्फ वेसल को एटा चापी बार सहाय्य करे जेमिति साइकिल ले कोन अछि ना तमरो पेडल अछि चलेवा पाई आ ब्रेक अछि ताकू ब्रेक मारिवो तेनु स्पीड टा कंट्रोल हबो गुटे ताकू चलेइबो आ गुटे ताकू ब्रेक सब गाड़ी रे भी सेया ए दीटा जिंसर गुटे अभाव हेले ताले असुविधा हबो आइदर गाड़ी धक्का लागिवो ब्रेक नथिले आउ जदि एक्सीलरेटर नथिवो ताले चालिबो नाही सेमती दैट इज सबु जिंस बापा तुमको गाड़ी देले माँ तुमको कौन करिवो ना बुझे कि सांत्वना देबे हला नहिले कौन करिवो नहिले लाइफ रखिबा बा कंट्रोल करिबा भारी कष्ट साध्य हला खाली गाड़ी सुनिले असुविधा किछि ता सहित सांत्वना दवा दरकार बापा गाड़ी देले माँ सांत्वना दउछि सो एवरीथिंग दैट इज नेचर लव्स सिमेट्री तुमको मो प्रथम रु कहिछि नेचर लव्स सिमेट्री तमने सबु जिंस नेचर रे समान प्रकार रे होछि फैमिली रे जेमिति बापा गाड़ी देले माँ बुझौछि सेमिति देख सबु पार्ट रे जणे आगुक नेले आउ जणे पछकु टाणुछि तेणु इन दिस वे द बैलेंस इज मेंटेन्ड इन एवरीवेयर द बैलेंस इज मेंटेन्ड similarly here that is the histamine helps to dilate the blood vessels that is so it is that is dilator in nature and that is the serotonin that is constrictor in nature so it is helping in that is vasoconstrictor that is blood vessel production कमेबो तेणु तार कोन हबो ना जणे बढौछि जणे कमौछि तेणु निर्दिष्ट डायमीटर रे सबले सेटा रहिबो हला दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द that is the and another serotonin another is called as the heparin the another substance is secreted its name is heparin means it helps to that is an anticoagulating agent that is act as an anticoagulating agent माने ब्लड को क्लोट करते दबो नाही मुंडा बांधिते दबो नाही आउ गुटे रहिला that is lymphocytes it is probably B lymphocytes एटा ब्लड रो lymphocytes another is lymphocytes clear that is lymphocytes and here this cell is irregular cell with a large nucleus but the cytoplasm amount is less and it protects the body from the foreign that is the antibodies as well as the germs through the plasma cell ta mane eguda ko lymphocytes or it is called as the B lymphocytes or they are formed from the B lymphocyte where they produces the antibodies against any antigen and via that is the plasma ta mane ye prathame plasma tayari karibo plasma ru antibody tayari kale semane sabu germ against fight karibe hala so this is the main that is the categories of the cell one is fibroblast another is the histiocyte another is that is the histiocyte then another is the mast cell and another is the lymphocyte so in this way that is main 4 different types of cells are present and besides them other plasma cells then the fat cells then that is the fat cells, then the chromatophore cells are, and mesenchymal cells are also present with some minor functions, So this is all about that is the constituent of the areolar connective tissue, and it is mainly that is the areolar connective tissue. Another thing, the space or the gap which remains among that is the fibers, जो फाइबर गुड़ा रहा तांको भितर जो गैप रहीगला बा फांका रहीगला, that is called as the areola. From that areola, it is named areolar connective tissue. It is named as areolar connective tissue. It is the first, that is the point you have to understand why it is called as the areolar connective tissue. कारण एटी जो फाइबर गुड़ा रहा तांको मझिरे जो गैप टिके टिके रहा ताकू कुआगला एरियोला, एंड दैट एरियोला सही एरियोला रु एटा आसी एरियोलार कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. आर मेन दैट इज द फंक्शन कौन ना यार मेन फंक्शन होची एटा दैट इज द पैकिंग मटेरियल आकार रे काम कला, आउ एटा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एगेंस्ट रे फाइट कला, एंड इट दैट इज द एंड इट आल्सो सप्लाई द न्यूट्रिएंट्स एक्सेट्रा and defend against the microorganisms and repair that is the wounds or the injury. So these are the main, that is the function of the areolar connective tissue. Clear? So you first understand what is the areolar tissue and what are the constituent of the areolar tissue and what is the function of the areolar tissue. First of all, areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue which is present almost every part of the body, specially they are present just below the epidermis and helps to, that is the attach, that is the adjacent layers. Just below the skin it forms that is the dermis layer, and just below the elementary inner wall mucous layer it forms the submucosa and helps to connect the different tissue. Clear? Then it is made of, its matrix is, that is the semi-fluid jelly-like structure, and it contains three types of fibers: white collagen fibers, yellow elastic fiber, and that is the reticular, that is the fiber. In this way, there are three types of fibers are present which forms a net-like structure and gives the rigidity to the tissue, and the space among these fibers, that is the gap or the among the fibers, are called as that is the areola or areoli, and this from that is the areoli, it is called as the areolar connective tissue. It is a loose connective tissue, and besides it contains main four types of cell. One is the fibroblast which produces the fiber, another is the macrophage or histocyte which fight or which destroy or which engulfs the injury or that is the injured or worn out cells, and the third one is called as the lymphocytes which that is produces the antibodies against the foreign germ cells or the antigens, and another is histocyte, and another is the mast cell which produces three substances. One is histamine, serotonin, and heparin. So this is all about the areolar connective tissue, and the function of the areolar tissue is it behaves as a packing material. It helps in that is the protecting the body, and the third one, that is it helps in that is the heal of the injury or like this. This is all about the reticular or that is the areolar tissue. Then you come to that is the adipose tissue. It come to the adipose tissue. केते मिनट हला आउ 5-7 मिनट जाऊ हला. Then you come to the second phase, that is second type of, that is the tissue. This is called as the areolar tissue. Then you come to the second category, that is called as the adipose tissue. That is adipose tissue. Adipose means fatty tissue. Adipose means fatty tissue. The second category is called as this areolar connective tissue. Then you second category you come to the that is adipose tissue. Adipose, that is adipose. Then you come to the adipose or fat, that is the storing connective tissue. Adipose or fat storing connective tissue. That is the adipose or fat storing connective tissue. Here it is nothing but the modification of the areolar connective tissue. It is nothing but the modification of areolar connective tissue. Clear? Where the fibers are less but the cells are more. Where the fibers are less and the cells are more. And it is about 15% of our body weight. This type of tissue is present in our body, that is about 15%. Clear? And here the fibers are less and the cells are more. And here the cells or fibroblast cells are enlarged due to the presence of the fat in the cell. As a result of which the nucleus and the cytoplasms are shifted to the periphery, shifted to the periphery. As a result of which it appears that is ring shaped structure, or it appears ring माने मुद्दी भलिया देखा जिवो, तेणु it is called as the signet ring stage. This is signet ring, that is it is also called as the signet ring cells. These are called as the signet ring cells. Clear? And this is these cells are called as adipocyte cells. Adipocyte cells. These cells are otherwise called as the adipocyte cells. These cells are otherwise called as the adipocyte cells. And they secrete, that is a hormone that is called as the leptin. That is called as the leptin. And that leptin regulates the appetite of the individual. That regulate the appetite. Appetite means bhuko. Bhuko suso eguraka ସବୁ se maintain karibo. That is adipocyte. That is the maintenance. So that is the deposition of more fat. That is the excessive accumulation of fat is called as the adiposis. That is 15% जदि रहिबा कथा 15% को ऊपर रहिले जदि फैट उड़ा आम फैट उड़ा आमर जो फैट उड़ा से चर्बी होची, that is called as the adipose or fat storing cells, storing connective tissue. Clear? And here it is of two types. Depending upon the deposition of the fat inside the cell, there are two types. That is, one is white fat, another is the brown adipose tissue. One is white fat or white adipocyte, another is the brown adipocyte. Here in case of the white, that is the adipocytes, it is called the fat is deposited in one, that is the globules. But in case of the brown, the fat is deposited in small lobules. So it is multilocular, but it is unilocular. It is multilocular, but that is the monolocular. Here only it forms a single, that is the structure, monolocular, but here that is the multilocular. But here it is white, but it is brown. Why? Because it contains a iron pigment called as the cytochrome. That is the iron containing pigment, containing a iron containing pigment, that is called as the cytochrome. And it also contains, that is more mitochondria. So it liberates 20% or 20 times more energy in comparison with the white, that is the adipose tissue, white adipose tissue. Then that is gives the more. And the white adipose tissue are present in that is the hump of the camel जो उच्च रे अछि आम स्किन तले अछि प्लस ए जो आमर सब ए जो हाथी प्लस ए जो तिमी ए माछर सब स्किन तले अछि हला एडा मोटा आकार रे हला एटा मेनली आउ कोन अछि ना किडनी चारिपटे अछि एटी किडनी अछि किडनी चारिपटे आखी तले अछि हला आईबॉल्स किडनी हार्ट पाखे अच्छी एगुड़ाक सब अच्छी तार प्रोटेक्शन आकार में कम करुच्चे कौन से आघात हेले आगे एडिपोज टिश्यू ताको संभालिबो तापर जाके आउ बॉडी ऊपर एटा गुटे लेयर रही माने एटा टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करिवो इटी बिहेव्स एज ए थर्मोरेगुलेटर से मोटा छुआ मानकू बेसिका गरम हुए आउ बेसी कम शीत हुए कारण बॉडी टेम्परेचर को से बाहर को छाड़ती नहीं है सो थर्मोरेगुलेटर आकार में कम करती आउ शॉक एब्जर्वर आकार काम करती आउ कौन करती ना स्टोर्स द फैट फॉर द इमरजेंसी यूज बॉडी रे जो दरकार से स्टोर भेकी फैट गुड़ा रही इमरजेंसी यूज कले सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एडिपोज connective tissue or fat storing connective tissue adipose or fat storing connective tissue. What is the in notes in brief I am again repeating the same. That is the adipose tissue are nothing but the modified areolar tissue where the fibers are less and that is the cells are more. The cells are more and it occupies about 15% of our body weight. If it is more, then it is called as the adiposis माने गोटे मोटा हो गला फैट बेसी हो गला ताको हमें केते कहबा ना जदी बेसिका फैट उडा डिपोजिट हला हला so that is when that is the fat it is deposited at the center, the nucleus and the cytoplasm are shifted to the periphery. And according to that is the deposition of the fat, it is of two types. It is monolocular or it is multilocular. एटा गुटे चैम्बर है कि रही पारे किंबा एटा छुटिया छुटिया चैम्बर है कि गुड़ा है कि रही पारे. It is unilocular, monolocular, it is multilocular. And that is depending upon the pigment, that is iron containing pigment, that is called as the cytochrome. It is the white and it is brown, and here it contains more, that is the mitochondria, so it liberates more energy, 20 times higher energy than that of the white. Clear? So the fat, the adipose tissue are of two types. One is white, that is adipose tissue, another is the brown adipose tissue. Clear? So in this way, that is it is present, that is about 5 to 7% of the brown fat are present in the newborn child. So in this way it helps in the storing of the energy. It behaves as a thermoregulator, forming a insulating layer over the body which regulates the temperature. Then it also, that is it protects the internal organs like heart, and that is the kidney as well as the eye as a shock observer. In this way this helps the different organs. Clear? So up to this, that is the today I am finishing up to this, and into the next class I will start the dense fibrous or dense, it is called as the loose connective tissue. Then from the next class I will start the dense connective tissue, then after that is the special connective tissue. Clear? So thank you to all.